Hello beautiful people, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo S60 T5 Dynamic in Passion Red with a charcoal leather interior. This spicy little all-wheel drive sedan has under 24,000 miles on it. It has active bending headlights, blind spot information system, lane keeping aid, a backup camera, all the safety features, those cool 19-inch wheels. This is a T5, so it is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, and it has the Polestar optimization, so you get faster throttle response, quicker shifting, and an all-around peppier, more fun car to drive. I love the way the back window slopes into the trunk. That's indicative of this year for the S60s, and it goes right into that cool little spoiler. And then down below, those diffuser around the dual exhaust. Super cool. It has keyless entry. With the purchase of a pre-owned Volvo, you get 4 years subscription to Volvo On Call. So you'll be able to remote start this car from your phone. Plenty of room in the trunk. This also has the climate package, and so it has heated front seats and a heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Sleek interior. I love the stitching, the white stitching on the sides, looks super cool. I have the headrest down for better visibility while driving. If you don't have passengers, you can keep those down, pop them back up. And these seats are super comfortable. Little power in the back for your passengers. Your memory seating for 3. These seats are great. Sport seats. This is your ignition switch here. And this is key, so with your foot on the brake, you put it into drive, and then you tap it over to sport. You'll see the S light up orange. Now it's white. You want the S, you get a little louder engine and peppier drive. And these are your controls. So you have your heated steering. You can fold those headrests down from right here in the back seat. Auto stop start if you don't like that. Lane keeping aid. Your backup camera is here, and obviously if you shift into reverse, that'll pop right up too. This has navigation. Connect your phone. And then when you're in My Car, this button here, My Car, this is my S60, and I will hit OK. I can also do these things from the scroll wheel here. This is so you can roll it up and down, and you push down in to select different things. We're going to roll back up to my S60, and you can see those safety features. Active bending headlights, the blind spot information system, city safety collision warning, just packed with all kinds of safety features. Your climate control is here, dual climate control. Your temperature up and down. You can push this in for the heated seats. And then this is the fan speed, so you have to just grab this little dial and turn it up or down, or you can hit auto and set whatever temperature you and your passenger like, and it will maintain that temperature for you. There's so much to know about these cars. This is a super fun, super spicy sedan. If you're as passionate about Volvo sedans as I am, this is 6156A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we hope to see you soon because we have your car. Thanks a lot from Portland Volvo.